Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to create a signature in Adobe Acrobat. Click on File and Sign. Sign yourself. Add signature. Here you can create a new signature by tapping. From here we can change font style. From here we can draw a signature. Click here to remove current drawing. Save this for use in future. I don't want to save, so I'm unchecking this. Now click on Apply. Click wherever you want to put the signature. Make it bigger and smaller. This is how we can create a signature in Adobe Acrobat. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.